And do not move from this spot.
Seven, 6, 11, 5, 9 and 20 miles today, 4, 11, 17, 32 the day before. Boot, 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 moving up and down again. There's no discharge in the war. Don't look at what's in front of you. Boot, 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 moving up and down again. Men go mad with watching them. There's no discharge in the war. If your eyes drop, they will get the top of you. Boot, 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 moving up and down again. There's no discharge in the war. Try to think of something different. Oh, my God, keep me from going lunatic. Moving up and down again. There's no discharge in the war. 7, 6, 11, 5, 4, 17, 32 the day before.
So I'm draining the petrol out of it because it's like varnish. It's like varnish. It doesn't smell like petrol. It's like varnish, and also you can see your exhaust is completely gone. And gonna need a subframe. Like the petrol that's coming out of it. It's dead. It's dead petrol. So must have had some petrol in it, but it's not going to run on this petrol. I tried it, so I'm going to drain it all out and then put some fresh petrol in it, and then we'll have a go and see what's going on. Yeah. Okay. It doesn't give that. Dead, this petrol's dead, it's going to just cause problems, so we're going to take it out and then put some fresh petrol in it, and away we go. Okay, this is phase 2. I've got a fuel pump all ready to go now, so we're just going to put some fresh petrol in it and I'll fire out today, and away we go. Alright? Okay, here we go. Alright. sound too bad. She needs an exhaust. Okay, so she needs exhaust. Needs a fuel tank. Or fuel tank cleaning. Yeah, engine sounds alright though. Nice. There you go, see?